guys, today is Children's Day and I had a lot of presents. One of them, I really love it. Can you guess what it is? Ta-da! This is the L.O.L Surprise toy. In this box, it has 8 surprises. First is a secret message. Second, a paper hat. Third, a water bottle. Fourth is jewelry. Fifth is a handbag. 6 is clothes. 7 is shoes. And 8, a doll. Something good special will happen to the doll. These are the 12 signs of the Zodiac. And I wonder what doll do I get? Let's open this box together. Wow, look at this. It's a checklist. And there are lots of beautiful and fancy dolls in here. It starts here. This doll is Aries, then Taurus, then Gemini, then Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and this is the last doll, Pisces. What is your sign? My sign is Aquarius. This doll is Aquarius. She looks very fancy and she has a very beautiful name, Waterfalls. I think that she's going to the beach. I love going to beach and going to swim. My hobbies is same as her. You can see that each doll has different symbols. Like there are 8 dolls have the symbol of a diamond. 3 dolls have a symbol of a star and only 1 doll has a symbol of a heart. Look at this circle. The diamond means fabulous, the star means rare, and the heart means ultra rare. So only this doll, Gemini, is ultra rare. Her name is Flipside. Who gets this doll will be very lucky. Now let's open my box. Ooh, look at these. In these, it has different surprises. Let's open this one first. Wow! This is so cool. It's a jar and it has some beautiful decorations. It's a crab under the sea. It's for the doll to drink some water. Let's open this one. This glass is made of silver and it's very glittery. In front of it, it has the shape of stars and it's a symbol of this sign. Let's open another. Wow, look at this dress and these shoes. This dress is very beautiful. It has the color blue and this is the shape of the stars. And look at these shoes. Is color pink and is very soft. It might fit the doll. The last surprise. Wow, I love this one. It's a water bottle and it has a glittery cap. On the bottle, it prints watermelon picture. So I think the doll will drink watermelon with this bottle. Lastly, I will open the doll. Wow, look at that! I get this doll. It's very beautiful. I love it. She has pink glittery hair and has 2 buns that shapes like a crab hand. Her swimsuit is very nice and she has some socks that has lots of black hearts. Let's dress this doll on. The dress fits the doll and this doll looks very beautiful. Let's put some shoes on. When you look clearly, flip the shoes and you can see that there's a letter L and a letter R. The letter L represents left, so we put these shoes on the left side. And we put the right shoe on the right leg. Now this doll looks very fancy. Let's put on her glasses. Here, look at her. She looks fabulous. And I wonder, what doll do I get? Let's see the checklist. Whoa, I get this doll. It's Cancer and her name is Claus. I really love this doll. This doll can cry, pee, or spit. Using this water bottle, fill up with water and let her drink. Then squeeze her head so she can spit, pee, or cry. I have a cup of water here and I can try it. Let's put some water in this. Now it's all full and I will try to put this water in the doll. Squeeze the bottle so the water can get inside the doll's head. It's all empty. Now let's squeeze the doll's head. Whoa, the doll can spit. It's really fun, right? But this doll can't change color. All the dolls might change color, so it can change to another swimsuit or another hair color. I really like this doll and it looks very beautiful and fancy. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye!